Wait, is it WED-nes-day or Wednesday? English strikes again with its tricky pronunciations. Today, we will uncover the right way to say Wednesday like a native speaker. Stick around, and you will master this word in just 60 seconds. Let's go. Alright, here's the secret to pronouncing Wednesday. Forget the D and make it simple. The correct pronunciation is Wednesday. Say it with me, Wednesday. Now, let's break it down slowly. First part, when is just like when. Second part, Z-day is like zebra and day mashed together. So, no need to say WED-nes-day. We drop the D sound entirely. Think of it as a shortcut for speaking like a pro. Let's practice together. Say it once, Wednesday. Twice, Wednesday. 3 times, like a native, Wednesday. Perfect. Now, you sound like a natural. English can be tricky, but with tips like this, it becomes fun and easy. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe to Pronunciation Mastery for more quick, fun lessons. Comment below and tell Muhat is your favorite day of the week. I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.